We've got to find the longest side in this right-angled triangle. There are no other angles involved. So if you're finding a side and there are no other angles involved, you always do each side times by itself. So I'm going to do 6 times by 6, which is 36, and I'm going to do 11 times by 11, which is 121. If I'm finding the longest side, and that's the side that is sometimes called the hypotenuse, if you find the longest side, you always need to add those numbers together. If I add those numbers together, I get 157. Final step is square root button on your calculator. So I need to do the square root of 157. My calculator's given me 12.52996409. I don't need to write all of that down in the exam. If you do it to 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 12.5 centimetres. That's fine for the answer for that question. If we look at a second example, we've got again a right-angled triangle, 8 centimetres on one side, 3 centimetres on the other, and we're finding the longest side. We need to do 8 times by 8, which is 64. We need to do 3 times by 3, which is 9. And because we're finding the longest side, sometimes called the hypotenuse, add those together, that's 73. Then 73 needs to be square rooted, and you need a calculator to do that. Square root 73, you get 8.5 centimetres, and that will be the length of the missing side.